Now I've transferred my design and darkened the lines so you can see them a little better. And I'm ready to start carving my first layer. But first I need to think about what needs to be removed and what needs to stay on my block. So anything that I remove will not be able to be printed, which means if I want the white of the paper to show through on just the text, the only thing I need to remove is the text. I want the rest of the block to print yellow, and then my last layer is going to be the black. So I need to keep anything on my design that's yellow or black. It's best to triple check that before you start carving because you won't be able to get something back once it's already gone. So this is the carving tool, and if you take off the end, there should be two different size cutting instruments. So you've got one that's shaped like a U and one that has more of a V. And the V is going to be better for carving small lines and details. And the U is going to be better for taking away large chunks of things. So you should only be using one of these at a time. And the basic rule is to hold the linoleum down behind where you're pushing from. So I'm pushing this tool and I want to remove pieces of this that are just inside the text. What I'm carving is a little bit harder than what you're going to be carving in class. It's really important that you never let your finger get in front of the blade as you're pushing. So you should always be rotating the block so you're pushing away. And if you get towards an end and I want to make a really sharp edge here, I can actually use a knife, an X-Acto knife, to cut this line, or I can turn the block and use the edge to make more of a clean cut. So you'll get little scraps from this as you go, and you just want to discard those. And I want to completely carve away everything that is going to be this white text right here. So then I'll be ready to do my second step, which is to print this.